So this Windows 11 app is a fantastic addition to the stock taskbar. Windows 11's taskbar is a pretty minimalistic piece of user interface, and if you have a big screen, chances are that there are two vast areas of nothing to the left and to the right of your pinned apps. While Microsoft wants to keep things simple and not overload the interface with buttons and elements, I always thought that the company could add more to make the taskbar a bit more useful, and a simple weather widget just isn't enough. Since we are talking about Windows, third-party apps always come to the rescue where Microsoft falls short, intentionally or not. Sometimes this comes from Microsoft's own engineers themselves. A new app from a Microsoft software engineer who aims to bring a touch bar-like experience to Windows 11 has now been released. Now the app called Windowsill is a small, or large depending on how you'd like it to be, panel that appears above the taskbar with a bunch of various useful features. Unlike Microsoft, which stubbornly refuses to let users reposition the taskbar, Windowsill can be placed on top of the screen or to its side. It's a very customizable experience, which I like. But the app is not about customization, even though that's a big part of it. The goal is to give you several easy to access, always available tools. Windowsill comes with a few of them, and thanks to extensibility, other developers can contribute to the project and offer their own extensions to further extend the app's capabilities. So right out of the box, Windowsill offers the following modules. You get a media control that lets you play, pause, and skip your videos from things like Apple Music, Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube, and more. I control music with my keyboard and mouse gestures, but it's handy to see what's currently playing. There's a clipboard history, access to your recently copied items. This feature relies on clipboard history in Windows settings, and the app will prompt you to enable it during the first launch. There's a quick reminder capability in it, and this is particularly useful for people that need help with writing everything down. If you forget things in an instant, a quick reminder to reply to that email, edit something, or take out the trash, you name it, you just type something and specify when Windowsill should remind you about it. This only works for short-term reminders, though, like in an hour or in a few minutes. I hope they add something a little longer in the future. Now comes the more complicated portion of it. There's an AI-based text assistant that will rewrite, proofread, summarize, translate, change tone, and more. Now, this comes with a paid subscription for Windowsill, and that enables offline mode. That thanks to the built-in AI models from OpenAI, Gemini, ChatGPT, Llama, you name it, a whole bunch of different ones out there. But in addition to modifying text, Windowsill can analyze and explain text on your screen to you as well. Simply highlight what you need and click on Analyze, and it'll understand it for you. Now, I'm personally not paying for a monthly subscription or a one-time fee for any of those features. It was nice to try out the free trial to see what it will do. That being said, if you're somebody that's really not up on AI right now, probably not a huge thing that you need, and you can run this app for free with the free features and still get a lot of good usefulness out of it. But this app's got other things as well, like meeting controls. You can mute, unmute, react, leave meetings, all from Windowsill. As of right now, it supports Teams, Zoom, Discord. WhatsApp is soon to join also as well. You also got image and URL utilities. You can change image formats, compress pictures, shorten URLs, and generate QR codes. Simply just highlight a URL. And it will present to you what's available with options. Now for the browser controls in their current form, these only include page zoom in Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, Vivaldi, and Brave. I wish there were additional quick commands, but that's all we have for now. But I'm sure that with other extensions, maybe we'll get more support in the future. In addition to useful utilities, Windowsill offers a bunch of other conveniences that you can select items in the panel with the Windows control button and number shortcuts, specify how many items appear on the screen, and toggle off and separate modules, and even make sure that your data stays away from screenshots and screen recording protection. I had a chance to play with Windowsill over the last couple of weeks, and it proved to be a very useful utility to the tools and the apps I use daily. Of course, not all the modules are particularly useful, but that depends on each individual. Like I said, you can toggle off what you don't need and you can customize it. Windows Sill is now available for free in the Microsoft Store, and it works on Windows 11 and 10. However, some of its features require either a one-time purchase or a subscription. Default and third-party modules are available for free, but AI-based features, if you have your own API key, custom prompts, and local modules, only work after a one-time $29.99 purchase. If you want to use Windows Sill and all of its capabilities without an API key, that will be $5 per month. There is a free 1 week trial, so you can do that to see what it's like. But for the majority of you out there, I would say you probably don't need those extra AI capabilities just yet. Give it a try with what it does for free and see what you think. And let me know down below if you try it out and if you like it or you don't like it, or, what your opinion is. If you liked this video and it was helpful to you, please leave me a thumbs up and let me know down below what you liked about the video, or let me know what you didn't like about the video, and I'll be happy to try to make better videos in the future and show you all things that you're interested in. You all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.